Prime Minister Narendra Modi is hit out at Mamata Banerjee, says TMC only speaks of one vote bank. They speak against the law. They have neither a vision for Bengal nor one for the country. They only work for their vote bank, because of which they cannot think of the welfare of the youth of the country. And the Prime Minister very specifically referred to the recent High Court order that cancelled OBC reservations in Bengal, where 77 Muslim castes were included without any scientific process or as a proper procedure not followed, is what the government has constantly said. Listen into the Prime Minister. I'll get you more on the story.
ये टीएमसी वाले सुबह शाम वोट बैंक करते हैं, सुबह शाम गाली गलौज करते हैं, सुबह शाम कानून के खिलाफ काम करते हैं। इनके पास देश के लिए कोई विजन है क्या? टीएमसी वालों के पास देश के लिए कोई विजन है क्या? बंगाल के लिए कोई विजन है क्या? जो टीएमसी सिर्फ अपने वोट बैंक के लिए काम करती हो, वो यहां के युवाओं के लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकती। टीएमसी आपको गरीब और पिछड़ा बनाए रखना चाहती है ताकि उसकी दुकान चलती रहे।
I want to bring in India Today's Anupam Mishra for more on this. Anupam, the recent High Court order on OBC reservations, and the Prime Minister referred to it. Now, the Prime Minister's allegation, or the Prime Minister's point about Mamata Banerjee only working for one vote bank. What's the buzz on ground around this?
Well, Gaurav, let me tell you, BJP is, for the past few years, what we have seen, that focal point of war, of wars between BJP and TMC is corruption. And the second most important thing was is the Muslim appeasement policy, which BJP is alleging towards Mamata Banerjee and TMC government. And for the past few days, especially for the past few weeks, we have seen that whenever PM Modi is coming to West Bengal, he is targeting Mamata Banerjee for Muslim appeasement. And in between this High Court order and a lot of things happened. So these allegations will have some kind of impact in Bengal, because we know the vote bank, if we talk about vote bank, 27 to 30% vote bank is Muslim vote bank, and they are totally almost 90% inclined towards Mamata Banerjee, and the rest of this 70 or 72% vote share, the fight is for that rest 70 to 72% vote share, and that is what BJP is doing in Bengal right now. Okay. They are targeting the rest of the vote share, and the focal point between them is always being the Muslim appeasement.
Keep tracking that story, gentlemen. I will come back to you for more.